Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. In today's video, you are going to be seeing me do this look here. I use not only the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, but the Zodiac Love Signs palette. I ended up using only the Sagittarius shades. So I used the Sagittarius matte and shimmer shades from both palettes to create this look. When I recorded this look, I wasn't really feeling all that great, so I did not talk through and do a tutorial on this. I just show you how to do it. I did speed this up ×2 so that you can see everything that I do from start to finish, and the music in this video is provided by Grant Duncan. He is a friend of mine. He sent me the music. I have his original artist copies of this. I have his permission to use the music. So all of the music that you hear throughout this is going to be from Grant Duncan. I will leave the song names on the screen while you hear the song so that you know what song is what, and I will leave his information in the description box below. So if you're curious about him, then you can go and, look him up on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe, and I will also link where else you can find his music, be it like Spotify, Apple Music, those kinds of things. So if you're curious about listening to more of his music, then you can do that. And if you're ever curious about what brushes I use, just ask and I will let you know what brushes that I use when I'm doing these makeup looks. So hopefully you guys enjoy this fall, very fall, dark purple and emerald green eye makeup look that I am doing, and a pretty extreme wing. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Enjoy!
understanding only half of the conversation. No backing down, no fighting the scam. This time it might mean the end. They have taken control and opened fire. There's no end in sight. Protesters and mobs marching the streets, shoulder to shoulder, met with the necessary response to heavy price to pay for the treason that's real. The botched rebellion is a good excuse to stop the purge. They have taken control and open fire. There's no end in sight. It might feel the right thing to do, but they're all starting with different points of view. It might seem the right thing to say, but who's to know how it's gonna be received? Taking time. Who's gonna tell them they've been getting it all wrong? It's a double-edged sword where the margins reap rewards. Maybe they can find it somewhere else tonight. There's a mood for change in the air. Well, I remember when it wasn't always so clear. Chances a fine thing, especially if they just about get it right. Taking time. Who's gonna tell them they've been getting it all wrong? It's a double-edged sword where the margins reap rewards. Maybe they can find it somewhere else tonight. Maybe they can find it somewhere else tonight.
Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So hopefully you like this makeup look that I did. I was feeling some purple and green vibes. I did swatch the colors on my hand and then got a shower, and after like moisturizing and stuff like that, the colors finally wore off. But I'm wearing 4 eyeshadows total right now and some liner and mascara, and hopefully you guys like this. It's a little bit dark, but I'm feeling some fall vibes right now, so even though it's like 90 outside, hopefully you enjoy.